Hey, what's up? Today we will be talking about the Steadicam Solo and along with some of the issues you may run into while you're using this unit. First off, if you're using the Steadicam Solo as a monopod, one thing that can happen is that under the camera's own weight, it can start making the unit collapse on itself, and over time that just gets annoying. To fix that, all you have to do is to look for one of the notches that's having the problems, and then there's a corresponding screw that you can adjust. To adjust it, all you need is a 3mm Allen key, and you can tighten that screw. Now just be sure you don't over tighten it, because that will cause some problems down the road. They said that it can potentially damage the unit, which you don't want to do. So my advice is to just tighten it maybe a quarter turn at a time, and then test the locking mechanism to see if the locking tabs lock properly. Another thing that can happen is that the leg can fall off along with a couple of plastic pieces. So those plastic pieces are in charge of keeping the leg from overextending, and that can fail over time. So my guess is that maybe over time something gets misaligned, and then those plastic pieces kind of fall out along with the leg. So when that happens, be sure you pick up those plastic pieces, because those are key to the repair later. If you're using the Steadicam and this happens in the middle of a shoot, you can still use a Steadicam. Just make sure you don't overextend the leg, because you don't have those plastic pieces to prevent it from falling out again. So the locking tabs will still lock the leg in place, so you can still use the unit. Once you get back home, you can start that repair process with the same 3mm Allen key. All you have to do is look for the screw that's above that locking tab and just loosen it and take the unit apart. What you want to do is take those two plastic pieces, align it with those notches in the leg, and then take the three pieces, which is the two plastic pieces along with the leg, and then align it with the notch that's part of the rest of the unit, and then you can put the unit back together, tighten the screw, and then test out the unit to make sure it works. Then you're done. And that's all the time we have for today. If you have a Steadicam Solo and you're having the same problems, hopefully this video helps. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as always, and I'll see you in the next video.